In today's video, I'll show you how to have text-to-speech for messages on your TikTok live stream. It's really simple and all you need is to set up TikFinity. It's a tool that makes your TikTok streams actually stand out and adds plenty of customization to it. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So to set up TikFinity, all you need to do is click on the link down in the description below. It will open up this website right here. If you scroll down, you will see the download button right there. You can use it as a web version, but you will have to have the site open up every single time. It's just simpler and easier to do it as the app. So just download it right there, install it just like any other program. And once you do, I'll show you how to set it up. So once you have the actual app opened up and installed, you will see this page right here. You want to click on the setup and actually connect your TikTok to it. If you're scared of connecting your TikTok account, don't worry. A lot of creators are using it. I've been using it for a while. I've made countless of videos on it and nothing has really happened. So you just put your username right here, click on connect to TikTok live. And once you do, in the top right, you will see your account and it's gonna say disconnected. You don't really have to worry about that. Once you go live, it will automatically connect. So just simply ignore it. So you want to go down into sounds, click on it on the left, and then go into TTS chat right here. This is where you're gonna set up everything for your TTS. So general settings, you're gonna see, enabled. We're gonna do that at the end. First, you wanna change the language, which I'm gonna keep default to English, that's fine. And on the voice, you can choose whichever voice you want. There is a lot of them. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So choose whichever voice you want. If you choose random voice, it will just give you a random voice every single time. Default speed, default pitch, you can change that if you want. And here's the volume slider as well. Allowed users, here's where you can customize it. Because TTS is actually, a bit of a scary thing to enable for everyone, you can choose it so it's only for moderators or only for top gifters or specific followers. If you do it for everyone, there is a chance that someone's gonna come in, spam some nasty stuff, and you might get banned or, something else will happen. So don't really allow it for everyone if you don't have to. Test it out, see how you like it, and then choose, specific things right there. Comment types. It will read, any comment or comments with like a dot at the beginning or a slash, like a command, or whatever else you type down here if you want. So you can do !TTS and then the message, and then it's going to actually read it out loud just like that. So it doesn't read out every message if you don't want it. If you scroll to the right, you can make it so it charges points. If you use TikFinity, viewers will earn points every single minute or every 5 minutes. You can make it so it spends the points whenever they redeem it, so it's not spam too much, or you can just keep it free if you want that. And that's basically all you have to do. The spam protection will save you, in case someone's spamming, so you can add some settings right here, like user cooldowns, max queue lengths, filter mentions, filter commands, all of that to your liking. Once you have everything set up, you want to click on the enabled button and that will enable the actual TTS for you. That's pretty much all you have to do. You don't have to add any overlays. As you can see right here, the voice is played directly in the browser. No overlay is required. So you don't even have to add anything to your OBS or TikTok Live Studio. If you want to test it out and see how it sounds, you scroll down over here to the voice tester, click on play.
This is a test.
This is a test, as you can see. So this is working fine. If you want to change the voice, you can go back and change the voice. If you don't really like it, you can simply disable it by clicking the same button. And that's basically it. That's how you can enable TTS for your TikTok live streams. It's really simple, really easy. If you guys did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and check out this video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.